Welcome to Theophras Academy, your one-stop destination for mastering CA and CMA. Are you preparing for CA intermediate exams? Stuck on what questions to focus on for corporate and other laws? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Hi everyone, I'm Theo, and in this exciting series, we'll break down important questions from corporate and other laws. Whether it's the Companies Act, 2013, or allied laws, I'll guide you through the most frequently asked and tricky questions step by step. You'll not only understand the concepts but also learn how to tackle them effectively in the exam. Plus, I'll share tips and tricks to maximize your scores. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Theophras Academy YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's ace corporate and other laws together. Learn smart, score high. Here's the question we'll tackle. MNP Private Ltd is a company with a paid-up share capital of 2 crore rupees and a turnover of 60 crore rupees. We are tasked to define the meaning of a small company under Section 285 of the Companies Act, 2013. Analyze whether MNP Private Ltd can avail the status of a small company under two different scenarios. Scenario 1, when the turnover is 60 crore rupees. Scenario 2, when the turnover is 30 crore rupees. Let's start by understanding what a small company means. According to Section 285, a small company is defined as a private company that satisfies two main conditions. Condition 1, its paid-up share capital does not exceed 4 crore rupees. Condition 2, its turnover does not exceed 40 crore rupees as per its last profit and loss account. Both conditions must be met for a company to qualify as a small company. Certain companies, however, cannot avail small company status, such as holding and subsidiary companies, companies registered under Section 8, companies governed by any special act. Scenario 1. MNP Private Ltd. Paid-up share capital, 2 crore rupees. Turnover, 60 crore rupees. Let us apply small company criteria to MNP Private Ltd. Although the paid-up share capital is within the limit of 4 crore rupees, the turnover exceeds 40 crore rupees. As both conditions must be fulfilled, MNP Private Ltd cannot be classified as a small company in this scenario. Scenario 2. Now consider if the turnover is 30 crore rupees instead of 60 crore rupees. In this case, both conditions are satisfied. Paid-up share capital is 2 crore rupees, which is within 4 crore rupees. Turnover is 30 crore rupees, which is within 40 crore rupees. Therefore, MNP Private Ltd qualifies as a small company. When writing answers for ICAI corporate law exams, it is essential to follow a structured and professional approach to ensure clarity, logical flow, and legal accuracy. Here's how you can write the above answer in a way that aligns with ICAI's expectations. Read the question carefully to identify the legal provisions and issues. In this case, definition of a small company under Section 285 of the Companies Act, 2013. Applicability to MNP Private Ltd in two scenarios. Organize your answer with clear headings and subheadings. Use the following structure. Provision of the law. Analysis of the case. Conclusion. First, let's write down the provisions of the law. According to Section 285 of the Companies Act, 2013, small company means a company other than a public company. Clause 1 paid-up share capital of which does not exceed 50 lakh rupees or such higher amount as may be prescribed which shall not be more than 10 crore rupees, and Clause 2, turnover of which as per its last profit and loss account does not exceed 2 crore rupees, or such higher amount as may be prescribed which shall not be more than 100 crore rupees. Nothing in this clause shall apply to A holding company or a subsidiary company. B. A company registered under Section 8, or C. A company or body corporate governed by any special act. As per the Companies, Specification of Definitions Details, Rules, 2014, for the purposes of Subclause 1 and Subclause 2 of Clause 85 of Section 2 of the Act, paid up capital and turnover of the small company shall not exceed rupees 4 crores and rupees 40 crores respectively. Both conditions must be satisfied to qualify as a small company. Next, we will write down an analysis of the case. Scenario 1, turnover 60 crore rupees. The company has a paid-up share capital of 2 crore rupees, which is within the prescribed limit of 4 crore rupees. However, the turnover of 60 crore rupees exceeds the prescribed limit of 40 crore rupees. Since both criteria must be met, MNP Private Ltd does not qualify as a small company in this scenario. Scenario 2. Turnover 30 crore rupees. The paid-up share capital of 2 crore rupees is within the limit of 4 crore rupees. The turnover of 30 crore rupees is within the prescribed limit of 40 crore rupees. As both conditions are satisfied, MNP Private Ltd qualifies as a small company in this scenario. Finally, we need to write down a conclusion. In the first case, MNP Private Ltd does not qualify as a small company as the turnover exceeds the prescribed limit. In the second case, where the turnover is 30 crore rupees, the company meets both criteria and can avail small company status. And that's it for today's session. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more case studies and exam-focused insights. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next session. Let's keep learning and acing those exams.